Behold a noble knight, clad in his glimmering armor, stepping boldly onto a battlefield. In his hand, the mighty Morningstar, a weapon of chaos and destruction. He raises it high, a symbol of strength and glory, only to trip over his own armor. Oops. Well, not all legends start off perfectly. The Morningstar, the medieval weapon of choice when you wanted to say, I respect your armor, but I'm here to ruin your day. And today, I'm reimagining this tool of destruction with some D&D flavor. Dating back to the 14th century, a Morningstar was basically a spiky mace on steroids. Its job, smashing through knights who spent way too much time polishing their armor. And now we're bringing it to the tabletop. I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Make It Build It, and today we're designing a Morningstar that will give you a critical hit every time. Now this is no ordinary Morningstar, meet the D20 edition. A weapon you could wield or roll for damage. Need a critical hit? Just swing this bad boy and let the fates decide. Designing this in Nomad Sculpt was all about precision. After all, if your D20 doesn't roll right, you'll be forever cursed with a natural 1. And no one wants that except your DM. So let's get this designed in Nomad Sculpt. Honestly, the hardest part of this build was actually making the chain. As you can see, a lot of rinse and repeat. Now let's get our D20 dice and add it to the bottom of the chain. And we'll get it in the perfect place for that mace to be really balanced. Let's print up a small prototype of the mace before we print it in full scale to make sure our chain is going to work correctly. This looks really good for a really quick model. Let's get it cleaned up and see if it works. Oh. I think it works. I'm going to make one little refinement to the chain here. The first two links fuse together, but other than that, this is perfect. Now let's scale it to full size in Bambu Lab Studio and get it print. As you can see, it's going to take quite some time, but this should look really good, except it looks like the X1 carbon rolled a 1. I just experienced the biggest layer shift I've ever had. This mace is going to need to be enchanted. What dice weapon should I make next? Ouch! This D&D edition is great for tabletop combat, but not so much for cardboard warfare. Let's just say Mr. Boximus Prime lived on to fight another day. This D&D mace is perfect for cosplay, display, or when your DM rolls a crit against you. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Yes, this is my weapon, but it's also my dice. And that's why you always let your dice speak for themselves. What do you think? So would you wield this in your next campaign? Let me know in the comments below. We'll select the best answer and we'll send that user one of these mini Morningstar dice to roll your crits with. And don't forget to like and follow for more ridiculously nerdy builds. And for more on 3D printing, DIY, or maker projects, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It. And remember, keep on making. Guess I killed that Draco Lich, huh?